Game Plan allows you to create multiple departments so that you can organize your registrations, merchandising, and other activities via different departments that will be displayed individually on your website. There's a couple pieces to this component. The first thing that we would want to do is create a new department. I'm in registration and merchandising under e-commerce. Here you would just simply go to New and click on New Department. That will open up a new department or create a new department for you. And when that appears, then you can just simply change the name of the new department to whatever would describe the items. So here we'll say batting cage rentals. And save that. Now then we would check this department down here to make it visible to the customers so that customers can actually see the items that are in this department when they go in to register. And then you would simply move any registrations or purchase of that into that by selecting the item that you would want to move into that department. Select at the bottom, Move, and then we'll select the department we want to move the item into. Here we're going to select the new department that we just created, batting cage rentals, and simply submit. And you will need to refresh your page to see your changes. And now we'll see that we have under batting cage rentals, we will have the items. Actually, we have two of these, so we'll have the items that we just moved into that. Since we have two of these, we'll use this department by simply renaming it to Powerball registration. And now we have a different department since we haven't used that department yet. So here now we have the items that are in this department. The next thing we'll do is we'll go back to the main menu. And under registrations, we have only one department. So I'm going to go to registrations. And I will copy the registration page, which will then allow me to copy the registration modules from that page. So once we're there, we'll simply go to the registration. We'll copy this page. And then under this page, we're going to add we're going to copy this and make it batting cage rentals. And we'll just copy that down to the page title as well. And we're going to add this in. It's going to be a child of the parent page is going to be registrations. So we want this as a child of registration. And we want to include it in the menu. Then we'll go to the copy page, and here we've got the player registrations. We're just going to change the name of this to batting cage rentals. And the same thing down here for this one. And we're not going to copy the image at the top of the page. So we'll add that page. And once we have the page added, we'll need to configure the module to display the appropriate department for this particular item. So here it's going to default to display the player registration. So I'm going to go to settings for this module. And then once the settings comes up, we will then select the Game Plan User tab. And we want to display the catalog, and under the catalog we want to display the batting cage rental department, and update that. And this will now display all the items that are in the batting cage department. So that's the way you create your various departments and organize your site so that people can easily get to your items, registrations, and merchandising. Thank you for listening, and if you have any questions, please contact support@everysport.net.